Hello, and welcome to the Real-Time Pilot Ground School. My name is JW, and I'm going to be giving you some information on our online real-time aviation training program for written tests. All you need is a webcam, not required but helpful, high-speed internet connection, and Yahoo Messenger 10. My aviation experience includes 25 years as an airline captain, over 30 years experience as a certified flight instructor authorized to give the training in the following pilot certificate courses: private, commercial, multi-engine, airline transport pilot, and all of the FAA flight instructor issued certificates. About a year ago, I had an idea to start an online real-time aviation training program. I did just that, and it's been very successful. Many benefits for the students. One major benefit is the student not being required to leave home or office and can complete it on their schedule. Another benefit is costs. $200 complete cost of the course includes books from Gleim Publication, Gainesville, Florida, sent directly to you. Average time of completion, 6 to 8 weeks. Can be done quicker one-on-one. Up to the student completely. So please, drop us an email. We have 24/7 dedicated people standing by to answer your questions. We look forward to helping you get started on your aviation endeavor. Thank you.